Welcome back to the channel. On this video, I just left Home Depot picking up these Ridgid professional tool storage system. I bought it so I can store my tools in it, so I can store them without breaking my equipment. You know, I had a lot of tools that end up getting broken over time, you know. But yeah, this is what I picked up, man. As you can see, professional tool storage system. It does have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different items. Of course, I only picked up 3 different ones. But yeah, this is what I got, guys. I'm trying to put my detailing lights, my polishing pads, my polishers, along with my miscellaneous items all in one area. You know, I've been having a problem putting everything in different places, you know, so it becomes a headache after a while. But this is what I got to rectify that problem, guys. Like I said, the Ridgid professional tool storage system does have these nice wheels on the back, as well as it has this handle, extension handle. It's kind of hard to do one-handed. Press the button in, comes up and down, and it's a pretty tight fit, close to the back of these boxes. But as you can see, I picked up one of the large boxes, 2 of the, I guess, the medium size, and 1 of the small boxes. Of course, they still have the milk crate style, as well as they have like a little storage box. Yeah, see, that's the other box right there. The Pro gear organizer, the 22-inch gear organizer, the 22-inch toolbox, and the mobile gear cart. Then of course, 22-inch Pro box. That's what that is right there. As you can see, it's a lot of different configurations. But yeah, guys, this is what I picked up. I'm about to go ahead and load my equipment up in it. So stay tuned, stay tuned. I'm gonna load it up in the truck, take it home. Then I'm gonna put my equipment in it, let you guys check it out once I get my stuff in it. So stay tuned to the end of the video so you guys can check that out. Guys, I just got back from the store. I went ahead and loaded my boxes up. I'm gonna let you guys check out what I got inside. All right, this is the one on the top. We're gonna go ahead and open this one up, let you guys check it out. All right, we got our Maxion light along with our Astro 50 SL, our other Maxion light, chargers for all 3, 1 in each pocket. Did have 2 extra pockets right here. I took those out just so I can fit this Astro 50 SL right here, so it will be right here out of the way. But yeah, that's it for the first box. Let's check out the second one. And like I said before, you can lift up this top one and it gives you access to the second one. As you can see, this is my miscellaneous pads, backing plates, things of that nature. You know, other pads, Yeah, that's what we got in that one right there. Let's go ahead and lock this one back down. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna open this one. But for us to open that one up, we gotta go ahead and release the latches. Like I told you, they got the carry handles, which double as hooks to hook them together, as you can see. So we're gonna take that one loose. We're gonna take that one loose. Snatch that box down just like that. Now we got both of my boxes sitting side by side. This box right here, this is more of a miscellaneous box, as you can see. A lot of my brushes, some of the brushes that I just purchased in the last video, I put them in here. Got my hose for my steamer. Tornadoes down in there. Bunch of brushes, bunch of triggers, some sandpaper, some backing plates. Got quite a few items down there. This is more of my miscellaneous box. I moved something. Okay. All right. Yeah, so that's that one. And then, of course, we unhook the last one on the bottom. Remove that. And this lid totally comes off differently. Instead of the latches being in the front, they're actually on the side for this big, this large one. And the top just lifts straight off. And down inside I got all my polishers and things of that nature down in there. So this is where I keep all my polishers in, the larger box, as well as it has this little pull out. I can take this, I can stack up 2 of these, and that will be like a lock that'll slide down through. It'll slide all the way down, straight through. You can stack up to 3 of these on top of each other, and that should slide all the way back down through. Or it may be, I think it's just these 3 and this one, small one, that you can lock them together with that. But that's pretty much it, guys, for my Ridgid boxes. Stay tuned to the next video. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. And with that, I'm out, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.